Today in Bengaluru, thousands of people have peacefully gathered to condemn the brutal massacre that took place against the Hindus in Pahalgam. An attack of this nature, singling out the Hindu community and literally butchering them, is something that the country had not seen of this proportion before. The government of India under the leadership of the Prime Minister has taken this issue extremely seriously. A slew of diplomatic measures to retaliate against Pakistan has already been set in motion. The Indian Army and the armed forces are an extremely competent and capable professional organizations. The people of the country need to place their absolute faith and trust in the leadership of the country and the armed forces to respond at the time and manner of their choosing to avenge justice. There is no doubt about that. As far as the Congress party in Karnataka is concerned, the Chief Minister or the Congress party have no moral right or authority to question the BJP or the Prime Minister when it comes to matters of security and national integrity. Just 2 years ago, under their very watch, these very same terrorists who share the very same ideology burned down the house of a Dalit Congress MLA. And the Congress party and its machinery and the government that they had did not have the moral conviction to even launch a prosecution, let alone arrest them, these perpetrators. The Congress party has been the single biggest force in the country that has contributed to the deepening and strengthening of terrorism in the country. The vote bank politics practiced by the Congress party for the last so many decades is the reason why the country is today reeling under terrorism. The people of the country realize this, and the people also realize that the fight against terror includes as an integral part the fight against vote bank and appeasement politics in the country.